Bring it down slowly, watch the gap on the left. This connects right here, following diagram 7B. All right, I've got the next clamp ready. That's 50 foot-pounds on the lower mount.
The sensor readings on junction 4 are fluctuating outside parameters.
Confirmed. I'm adjusting the tertiary alignment matrix now. Levels are stabilizing.
Torque that one down. Easy now, bring it down 5 more centimeters. Steady.
Confirming position on the mounts.
We are clear for descent to position, Charlie. Lower the raft.
Make sure the laser aligns with the mark. It's set. Go ahead with the wrench.
Bring her down 20 centimeters.
Copy that, 20 centimeters. Hold station C, watch your clearance on the starboard side.
Lower it slowly. Bring it up another 10 inches. Watch the clearance on frame 7. Roger that, holding steady. How's the tension on that line?
It's tight. Securing clamp 4.
Confirming the spacing on frame 52.
It aligns with the schematic, engineer.
We have clearance on the shock mounts. Ensure the torque is set to 25 foot-pounds on that housing.
Confirmed, ma'am. Moving to the interface panel now.
Check the alignment on tube 3. The readout is fluctuating again.
Confirmed. The support frame data is inconsistent with the schematic.
Tube 1 alignment check.
Reading green on the port side.
Acknowledge, secure the guides.
That's the final clamp secured on this run.
Torque looks good. I'm logging the completion now.
Check the voltage on the main bus.
Stable at 120, moving to the next sequence.
The data stream on channel 3 looks stable now.
Good. Let's verify the power supply output.
Check the sonar array. We're showing a fluctuation on screen 4. Running secondary diagnostics now. Easy now, bring her down another 2 inches. We're showing...
Check the amplitude at 40 degrees right here. Looks stable. I'll note the coordinates. All right, easy now. Bring it down 5 inches. Steady, steady. And lock it in.
Lower it slowly, watch the starboard side clearance.
Copy that. Watching the clearance. push it tighter against the frame right there. Is that flush with the previous panel?
Ballast check complete. She's sitting perfectly level.
All parameters green. Verification successful.
The rise rate is stable, confirming pressure readings now.
Everything looks good. The trim is perfect.
Propulsion metrics are steady at 50 knots.
Acknowledged. Running auxiliary systems, check now.
High pressure release on M1, check gauges.
Gauge is green, system holding.
Acknowledged.
Readings coming in steady on the coolant pump.
Confirmed. Vibration is well within limits. Proceed with detachment.
Check the inertial navigation parameters on the BPS.
Running diagnostics now, Captain. All parameters within tolerance.
Very good. Finalize the report. Systems check complete.
Pressure looks nominal on the auxiliary coolant loop.
What about the secondary relief valve gauge here? It seems high.
Let me verify with the handheld.
We verified the connections here.
And the documentation confirms the torque specs.
Good. Ensure the Class C procedures are logged before we close this out.
Crane, hold position at 20 feet.
Roger that, holding at 20.
All right, deck, prepare to receive the load. Coming down slow.
As you can see here, this valve controls the hydraulic pressure for the sonar sphere. Pay close attention to the alignment marks.
Checklist complete. All stations report ready for dive.
Torpedo room secure, sirs. Hatch closing.
Reading stabilized at 400 amps.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Propulsion systems check complete. Stabilizing now.
Confirmed. All indicators are green.
R12 connector secured and verified against the schematic.
Confirmed. The optical alignment looks good too.
All right, let's move forward to the next section.
Are the pressure sensors calibrated on this section?
Yes, all green. We are clear for the initial ramp up.
It is my honor to welcome you to the commissioning of this magnificent vessel. She stands ready.